is wearing a really tight tracks, isn't it?
I ordered slim fit for the female fans.
You have any one of them?
100.
Right.
Bad evening, ladies and gentlemen. Bad evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today's news has shook the entire nation. It is very terrifying and disheartening to know that our corporate of Kathruguppe, Mr. Bruce Wayne, and his wife were brutally murdered by a bunch of mob radicals. Is this not the proof that corruption is existing in our country? Tell me, dear friends, is this not the proof? Will the 42-year-old adolescent and his mother take the responsibility? What will the people holding their hands do now? Huh? What will they do? Nation wants to know, my dear friends. The nation wants to know. Come to the news hour tonight. Let's speak about the debate and see you tonight.
What has happened to Kathruguppe, Alfred? Is this what my father built? What my mother told this place was?
No, sir. Your father was a great man. He made this place beautiful. Just a few people want to destroy it.
Why would they have to do that?
Some men don't care about anything ethical or logical. So, some men just want to watch the world burn.
Grab this for me, Alfred.
Mom, I lost again, Mom, in the Kabaddi tournament.
It's alright. Don't feel bad for small things. Let me guess. The girl you wanted to impress saw you had a fall?
No, yes. You know, one guy from the Hanuman Nagar team, the team that defeated us, he came to me and he's like, "You don't deserve to wear this Nike shirt. You don't have a game to own it. Don't I deserve to even wear this Nike shirt, Mom?"
Oh dear, I bought you this shirt. As long as you make me proud, you deserve to wear it.
But I lost, Mom, and I fell.
Why do we fall, Bruce?
Why?
So that we can learn to pick ourselves up and stand no matter what, even if the whole world is pushing us down.
Finally, building your body, Master Wayne. But why?
I have to go out then, Alfred. My whole life, I've been brought up in Wingman. Like a prince who can't even hold his sword. What's the point? I have to learn to face the world. Survive with those rats. And make my mother proud. And that's not going to happen with. I guess I'll have to do more push-ups.
So you'll return when you're strong enough to beat this criminal, sir?
I'll return. And I deserve enough to wear Nike.
Get him out at any cost.
Mr. Wong.
Hey Bruce, what made you come here?
Whatever you and him are planning, it will destroy the whole world. Innocence will suffer. What does that this world has done to you, Mr. Wong.
The world's suffering anyways, Bruce. Once the plan starts, the economy will fall. People will run around in chaos. Slowly the country will drop, and guess what? A lot of good things will happen. The world needs this correction. Batman.
And who are you to decide what the world needs?
The enlightened ones, let's say, I bought a company very recently. Nobody has ever heard of it before. But in a month or two, everyone knows about this. Every school, every colleges uses this application. It's even for me too with my genetic research. Getting your voice though. Wait a second. Besides listening to my story, don't you think you have forgotten something, Bruce? Don't you want to save your friend from escaping prison?
I'll not let you succeed, Doctor.
You cannot stop this, Bruce. What makes you think you can?
Because